Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you change passcode on your iPhone or your iPad. So to do this you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Now you have to enter your current passcode. Then scroll down and here is option of change passcode and turn off passcode. You can also turn off passcode by clicking here. Now you have to enter your current passcode and then your passcode will be turned off. And if you want to change passcode, then click here. Now enter your old passcode. Now you have to enter your new passcode. If you want to change the passcode option, then click here. Now you can change it to the alphanumeric or 4-digit numeric code, etc. Let's select 4-digit numeric code. Now enter new passcode. Now again enter the new passcode. Now your passcode is changed, and this is how you can change the passcode on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.